So for whatever reason, this lady doesn't like people. I mean, Google reviews is full for the lake for just this lady being dealt with. Everybody knows about her. Everybody complains about her. The cops are sick of her because she's the only one that calls. And one of the reasons that she calls is because people don't have the dump sticker or whatever for the town. But not everybody has a dump sticker. And also, like, I go to high school in that town, and that's where I live, and she just doesn't like people, and I don't know if it was the fact that I had an old Toyota Camry or whatever, but me and my brother, basically, there's a fence at the boat ramp, and other guys were trying to get in at the boat ramp, and me and my brother were trying to do some, like, photos. We were doing, like, a little tournament with our friends, so basically I was weighing the fish in the bucket with the aerator, and for whatever reason, she came to us. We moved to the right of the fence on the shoreline, just on the weeds, and basically she was like, you need to go over to the boat ramp to do that. You shouldn't do that here, and we were just like, okay, we were doing this for 5 seconds. We were taking a photo and releasing the fish. Like, there's people right there. We're not going to get in their way, because it's a really tiny boat ramp. Like, it's maybe like 6 foot wide, and then there's trees and stuff. So we were like, okay, nice about it. And I've dealt with her, and other people have dealt with her a million times. Like, I've had cops tell me that they're really annoyed with her, and half the time they won't come out because of her having this issue. But I know a bunch of people on the lake and properties, and I have good relationships with them. It's just you can't get a boat in through the other properties. There's only one boat ramp. So basically just try to be nice to people, even if they're being rude to you, and hopefully it'll work out for you.
My friends, my family, and my Lord and Savior, I'm back now on a track now.